Hi guys, good to see you again. Today I would like to compare the present perfect and present perfect continuous tenses. We can use either of them to talk about unfinished actions that started in the past and continue in the present. Take a look at those two sentences.
I've lived here for a year. I've been living here for a year.
They both have the same meaning. It is important to remember that we cannot use state verbs with present perfect continuous, and we cannot say, I've been knowing Amy for a long time. In this case, we have to use the present perfect tense. I've known Amy for a long time. Another difference between these two tenses is that we don't really use verbs like start or stop with the present perfect continuous. Such verbs refer to actions that are finished at a single point in time, and we have to use them with the present perfect.
Why have you stopped working? Why have you been stopping working?
We can use both tenses to talk about actions that are finished and have a result in the present. The difference is that when we use the present perfect tense, the result comes from the action being finished. For example,
I have cleaned the basement so there is a lot of space now. This action is finished and I have a result because I finished it.
and when we use the present perfect continuous, the result comes from the action itself. For example,
I've been cleaning the basement so I'm dirty. In this case, we can treat our result almost like a side effect. I didn't start cleaning the basement because I wanted my clothes to be dirty. It just happened. It is not important if the action is finished or not.
here is another example.
They have painted the kitchen. It looks lovely now. They are done with it, and the kitchen looks lovely because they finished painting it. They've been painting the kitchen, that's why there are so many dirty brushes here. It is not important if this action is finished. Our result, dirty brushes in the kitchen, comes from the action painting itself.
Another difference between the present perfect and present perfect continuous tenses is that we can use the first one to say how much we've done or how many things we've done, and we can use the second one to emphasize for how long we've been doing something.
I've already read 3 books today. I've been reading for hours.
And now let's move on to the exercise. Watch this playlist if you want to learn more about present tenses in English. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!